Hi everyone, Vanessa here, your international shampoo dealer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I am not your typical blogger. I am not your typical influencer. I'm just a girl from the Midwest who shows up in her 40s and says, I found my power. And so I am here to just help you learn, grow, have a laugh. You know, when I found my mindset and I found my faith, my entire life changed. And from there, I'm living my life from that perspective. And so here I am. I thought I might as well start a channel and start educating people and doing the things that I dream of doing. Because my biggest dream is to launch mastermindforkids.org. It is an organization that teaches children the ages of 5 about their mindset, about faith, about mindfulness, and all the things that they have inside of them and their power, and being able to unleash that as children and not having to have limiting beliefs as adults. They might have some limiting beliefs, but they wouldn't be too bad, right? So that's why I am here. I thought that in my 40s, I finally found this. And it's for the world to know. It can change the world. And so here I am. So welcome, and let me know if y'all have any questions in terms of business or network marketing or hair or skin or mindset. Whatever questions you have, I'm here for you guys. So welcome to my channel, and be sure to subscribe so you can catch up with all the shenanigans that I'm up to, all right? Thanks so much, guys.